As global tensions escalate, the specter of a new kind of war looms, a conflict that some argue has already begun. Since the outbreak of the Ukraine war, international rivalries have sharpened, with nations growing bolder in showcasing their military prowess. Amid this backdrop, the United States Navy's top admiral, Admiral Gilday, has spotlighted a pressing concern: the rapid advancements by Russia and China in hypersonic missile technology. These innovations, he warns, represent a significant concern, spurring the U.S. to accelerate its development of countermeasures like directed energy systems. Directed energy weapons, DEWs, which leverage high-energy lasers or powerful microwaves to neutralize threats, are now a top priority for the Navy. Admiral Gilday's remarks came just days after the U.S. Navy secured its first delivery of the HELIOS high-energy laser weapon from defense giant Lockheed Martin. The system's integration onto warships marks a monumental leap from experimental trials to operational readiness, signaling a new chapter in naval warfare. The hypersonic missile threat. Hypersonic missiles pose a formidable challenge for traditional defense systems. Capable of reaching speeds exceeding Mach 5, these weapons combine blistering velocity, unpredictable trajectories, and the ability to traverse space before re-entering the atmosphere via hypersonic glide vehicles. Their agility and speed make them nearly impossible to intercept with existing technologies. Currently, the U.S. Navy relies on the Aegis ballistic missile defense system, deployed on Arleigh Burke-class destroyers and Ticonderoga-class cruisers, to intercept ballistic missiles during their post-boost phase. However, the system struggles to counter the highly maneuverable hypersonic missiles developed by China and Russia. In March, Russia demonstrated its Kinzhal hypersonic cruise missile in combat against Ukraine, while China's groundbreaking hypersonic test last summer underscored its advancements in this arena. Admiral Gilday cautioned that these capabilities are not only advancing rapidly, but are likely to be deployed soon, intensifying the urgency for effective countermeasures. Directed energy weapons. The U.S. response to counter the hypersonic threat, the U.S. is exploring the potential of DEWs, highly focused energy weapons designed to destroy, disable, or disrupt targets. These systems employ concentrated beams of electromagnetic energy, such as lasers or microwaves, to damage electronics, incapacitate equipment, and neutralize threats at incredible speeds. The fiscal 2022 National Defense Authorization Act empowered the Missile Defense Agency to accelerate the development of laser technologies for use against both ballistic and hypersonic missiles. Heidi Shyu, Undersecretary of Defense for Research and Engineering, emphasized the strategic importance of directed energy systems, describing them as a pivotal technology for modern defense. Shyu recently stated that DWs have reached a level of technological maturity, enabling their deployment in real-world scenarios. In June 2022, the House Armed Services Committee urged the Department of Defense to craft a comprehensive strategy for countering hypersonic missile threats, leveraging asymmetric capabilities like directed energy and microwave systems. Major U.S. defense contractors, including Lockheed Martin and others, are already deeply invested in advancing these cutting-edge technologies. the future of defense. As geopolitical tensions simmer, the race to develop and deploy next-generation defensive systems is intensifying. Directed energy weapons, with their promise of precision, speed, and efficiency, are poised to play a pivotal role in reshaping modern warfare. Whether they can effectively neutralize the hypersonic threat remains to be seen, but one thing is clear. The battle for technological supremacy in defense is heating up, and the stakes have never been higher.